Brian Little.
Japan.
Alright guys, it's the GM man back here. We are currently in Nasty Red taking it back to Malachi. I don't know how well you guys will be able to hear me, but I just want to kind of talk about my experience and stuff with this truck. It has definitely been one of the more difficult trucks just because we had to put a lot of new, I guess they're not new aftermarket, if that makes sense. They're new to the truck. Wish they were OEM style because they would have bolted up a lot easier, but man, the fenders gave me a run for my money. It was ridiculous trying to get, hold on, I'm passing a truck here. It was ridiculous trying to get the fenders holes lined up onto this truck, but we got it. Overall, it looks extremely well. I love the collars. It turned out really good. I gotta stop. We gotta switch trucks from my truck to my dad's because we're taking my dad's truck up to Fort Wayne because I don't really want to take mine that far with open headers and just having a fully rebuilt motor. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'd hate for us to get up there and something happens. So we're gonna switch trucks real quick, and then basically I'll just continue where I left off. So guys, we're on our way to take the truck back to Malachi, and I don't know if Jimmy, you can get this in here. The intercooling pipe, I guess we didn't have it tight enough. It just blew off, so that's what we're fixing right now with some redneck tools. Adjustable. So
pliers.
Yeah, and a knife.
It's been a day.
It has been. So
Truck.
Right side of the truck looks good.
Truck is done. Looks good. And there's Jacob's truck.
Okay guys, back to what I was saying. This truck was by far one of the more difficult ones I've ever done just because of the aftermarket fenders. They don't fit like the OEM style ones, and then this door over here, I had problems with the body shop, dicking around, not getting it done, so I actually had to take it to another body shop so they could switch the internal parts over. And not to mention I end up actually spraining my wrist, and now I have my fingers wrapped up and I have to wear a brace. So, and I don't know if you guys can even hear me because this truck's kind of loud, but yeah, I'm in a brace. So the last couple of days working on this thing was a little difficult, but fun experience, fun truck and stuff. So there's a few little blemishes I wish I could have fixed, just because I'm painting in a homemade paint booth. It's kind of difficult to get a 100% perfect paint job, and a lot of you guys know that. I'm slowly trying to save up money to get a new building built and eventually invest in a nice paint booth, an updraft paint booth. I have my eye on one. It's like $6 grand. So hopefully everything goes well in the next couple of years. I'll have a new paint booth and I'll be able to turn out a little bit better quality jobs and stuff. But I love doing this type of work. This one definitely gave me a run for my money, just because of the aftermarket parts and all the rust and the cab mounts. The cab mounts took me probably 3 days, 4 days on each one, just because how they were put in there and how rusted they were. They were literally rusted to the rubber bushing. So I had to like heat up the rubber bushing and try and pry it apart, and it was a mess and a half. So yeah, we're heading up there now. Got a little delay. Had to stop and switch my dad's trucks, as you guys heard from the beginning of this video. But we're on the road now. This truck handles phenomenal. It shifts great. When we were coming down, or when I picked it up and was coming back down, it was a fun drive. Now that we got those new turbo or intercooler pipe boots put on there, you can feel the power that this compound system puts out. It's pretty fun. So I'm gonna hit the road, get there, talk to Malachi, get a little shots of the truck, and hope you guys enjoy this video, and hope he enjoys the truck. So I'll see you guys soon. To pull into Malachi's house. We're hopefully gonna get his reaction and see what he says about it. So getting ready to pull in. I'm gonna pull around to the barn, and yeah, hopefully he's shocked. So I guess we'll see. There's Big King Ranch over here. So we're gonna go ahead and pull around back and see what he thinks of it.
Your destination is on the right.
There he is over there. The old 7.3. Well guys, we made it up here. Malachi is currently taking some pictures of it. He figured why not, since the lighting's perfect. So ran into some traffic on the way, but nothing too major. But what do you think of it?
I think it looks a lot freaking better than it did.
More changes to come too, so.
Oh yeah. I actually got a upgrade coming for it that's gonna match what he did to the front end perfectly. And it was like coincidentally, because I had no idea what he was doing with like the black two-tone and stuff up front.
That was the surprise.
Yeah,
that.
so then I did something you guys will see soon, and like probably tomorrow, that we did to it, and it's gonna be sweet. It's a new lighting upgrade for the front, but it's gonna look really good.
I think my favorite angle of this truck is right here. This front. This thing just looks absolutely massive from up here. But I can't tell you how many people commented. They're like, oh, I love the flatbed, I love the stance on it, I love everything about it. And I'm like, well, enter and you can win it. So that being said, I'm gonna sign off, guys. I'm gonna head home, and it's gonna be a late one. Okay guys, I got my buddy Jimmy with me, as always. He's behind the camera. We're heading home. It's 2 hours and 47 minutes. We just got done dropping the truck off to Malachi. Be sure to go check out his video. Gonna be a good one. Coming up here, we ran into some construction and stuff, but no big deal. And also we've seen quite a few classic cars, so I don't know if there's a car show somewhere or the nice weather there, just out for a cruise. So I want to apologize again, guys, not for all the footage I didn't get, just because it was a lot of grinding and cutting and painting, and really don't want to set my camera up and get grinding shards and paint and everything else all over it. So that being said, I'm sorry again. Heading home, and that's going to be it. I'm going to edit this video. We'll have some before and afters of Nasty Red, and I'll see you guys in the next video.